How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Dad Next Door, and in this video it's going to be all about affiliate marketing and how you can start right now. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe below so you can be up to date with all these new videos. 2021 is going to be a huge time for me because I'm going to start building a massive library of videos. I'm going to really focus and push this YouTube now. So this video is not going to be like every other video what you see of affiliate marketing and showing you like this and that and, you know, paid advertising and all this stuff that no one really understands. This is going to be a complete nitty-gritty beginner's guide on how I started affiliate marketing with zero money, zero upfront cost, and I started diverting free traffic and started making a passive income online. Make sure you follow this video all the way to the end. You don't want to miss any vital information. There's going to be some hidden gems in there. So anyway, let's get started. So I see a lot of people on YouTube and all across the internet, according to these gurus, and they tell you that you need to get this link of, you know, a product or something like that, and you need to spam it everywhere, Facebook, Instagram, just start spamming it. It doesn't work. I've tried it. I've wasted a lot of time and a lot of effort spamming links and diverting all this traffic to something that never converts. Don't get me wrong, you might get lucky, you might get 1 or 2 commissions off that if you spam it 1,000 places, but that'll be luck. That's no way to build a sustainable affiliate marketing business. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to sign up for an affiliate network. So there's many affiliate networks that you can choose from. So you've got like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, all those, and it's like a library of different affiliate products that you can promote. Or you can go directly. If you believe in a software or a product that you personally use yourself, you can go and promote that. They'll no doubt have an affiliate program. So me personally, I promote Profit Accumulator that you might have seen in some of my videos, which is match betting. Or you can do, you know, promote VPNs or something along those lines. I tend to promote mainly software-based products with recurring commission. The reason I recommend a software product and a monthly subscription product to promote is because it's recurring commissions, and once you've done the work up front, usually it starts to become passive and it starts to snowball the more people you get to sign up. It's not just a case of selling one product and once it's gone, it's gone. Right, so step number 2 is a traffic strategy. So how do I send traffic to the product that you're promoting? So right, you've got paid advertising or you've got free traffic. Organic traffic. Now, paid advertising, yeah, it will get you results much faster in most cases. And with free traffic, you need to create content, and what that's going to do is it's going to drive traffic from that content. And the best sources for this is social media. You've got Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. You need to create traffic in your niche. So mine's making money online, or if your niche is health and fitness or pets, dogs, cats, fish, you know, you need to create content in that niche in order to drive traffic to it. You don't want to start promoting and creating content about fish if you're promoting a dog's food. You know, you need to create traffic what your audience will want to see. So, over a year ago now, I created a video about match betting, and in that video I promoted something which is a software-based product called Profit Accumulator. And now what Profit Accumulator is, it's an online software service that shows you how to do match betting, how to start, how to profit. It shows you, you know, where to find all the offers and how much you make and stuff like that. And it's like a guide, and that is a monthly subscription service, and it's like £17 a month, and you get roughly about 40–50% every single month. And because of this, it eventually started to gain traction, and I actually rank on the first search page of YouTube for match betting. So when someone searches match betting, I come up there. At first it did start off slow, but over time it started to snowball, and I started to drive more and more traffic the more that it got into YouTube's algorithm, and I was further at the top. So every time someone searches that, I come up, so that's free traffic, it's free organic traffic. I'm not pushing it on someone by pushing paid ads and stuff like that. It's just coming in naturally. And it's also something called warm traffic. It's something that some people are actually actively searching for. People are already up for the idea of match betting. My video is just guiding them in the right direction. So you're gonna wonder, how did I rank this video and how did I get on the first search page of YouTube for that particular niche and for that particular search? I did some research before I made that video, and I used a tool called Tubebuddy. You've probably heard of it before, and what it is, it's like a trusted tool for creators to rank videos, to gain more traction, views and subscribers. It also gives you titles and tags and stuff like that in order to rank on YouTube. So when you sign up to it, as a free version, which is just like a Chrome extension, and the free version, or you've got the paid version, which works out at like $9 a month or something like that. It's super cheap, and for the sort of commissions that it brought me, it's more than worth it. It covers that 100 times over each time. If you're really serious about making money online through affiliate marketing, then I guarantee that it's 100% worth just paying that extra $9. So the difference between the free and the paid version on this is it's something called weighted searches, and there's a few aspects of this add-on that you can't use with the free version. So I bit the bullet and I was like, right, okay, I'm going to pay for it. So I started to pay for it, and what happens then is you get something like a weighted search term and an unweighted search term. So I'm going to show you how this works. So what it is, if you were to search how to make money online, and on the free version it'd say unweighted, so that doesn't take into account the amount of traffic that your channel gets, the size of your channel, or whether people are actively searching for it, or if it's in your niche. So you don't really know if that's going to rank very well because it's not actually looking at your channel. But then you've got the weighted. So the weighted score takes into account, so your channel size, what sort of traffic you're gaining, whether you're in a particular niche for that to rank for that search. And this is why it's much better, because with the free version and you're using the unweighted, what can happen with that is you could be making loads and loads of videos and thinking you're going to rank for this and rank for that, but it's too much of a big variable, and you could be putting all this effort into videos that will never rank. They'll just get flooded in a sea of YouTube videos. So if you are serious about trying to rank these videos and making money online, what you want to do is you want to click the link in my description now for Tubebuddy and give it a try. If you just want to try the free version and see how you get on, you know, that's fine. But if you're really serious, I would recommend about driving traffic on YouTube, check out Tubebuddy. It's completely worth every penny, and it's even a trusted add-on of YouTube, so you won't get banned or anything like that. It's nothing dodgy. So back to Profit Accumulator. They saw my video, decided to sign up, and because they clicked my affiliate link that I put in my description, they signed up, paid the monthly commission, and now that's recurring. Now I've got that customer in, and then Profit Accumulator will do the selling from there. If they sign up for the free trial, they're going to do the selling from there on because they've captured that person's email. So obviously the more people that see that, the more people that click it, the more money you're going to start to accumulate every single month if you do a recurring product. So when I started off, I wasn't getting much traffic at all. It was trying to work its way up the ladder, work its way up the search term in YouTube, and now it's gaining hundreds and hundreds of views every couple of days. So I'm just gaining that consistent free traffic constantly. So if you are serious about it, if you are serious about affiliate marketing, don't be going out and spending loads on paid ads and stuff like that. Do what I did. I'm not a guru, I didn't know. I watched a lot of YouTube videos and learnt myself. Use this as a guide to start, you know, using free traffic sources and stuff like that. Once you start bringing those funds in through affiliate marketing, that's when you can look into paid advertising and scaling it. So for now, I would recommend just free traffic. There's no point wasting your money until you know exactly what you're doing. So step number 3 is to try and build an affiliate funnel. So what this is a funnel like this, what drives the traffic in, and you start to collect email addresses in your niche. Then the more people you get to sign up to your mailing list in this funnel, which means the more people you've got to promote links to. So if you've got 10,000 people in that list, in your list, which you now own, that's your list of emails, you know, if it's in a particular niche like health and fitness or something like that, you can continuously promote different products to them people, and they're already in your niche. So if you're in a health and fitness niche and you collect these people's emails, and originally you were promoting a smoothie and now you're going to promote a diet plan, if you've got 10,000 people in there, you can send out an auto-responded email. You can send out an email with your links in there and a little bit of information. That's essentially your traffic then. That's free traffic for you that you've accumulated over time that you own because you've captured their email address. So if you've got such a large mailing, you can get those commissions quite fast. If you want to start promoting a product, you can send that out to 10,000 people straight away and start collecting commissions straight away. Affiliate marketing is something that you build over time. You start to build that trust, and then you start to make money. Eventually it'll start snowballing, and you start to make more money, and you start to gain trust, gain more traction, and learn how to funnel the traffic and how to use it correctly. And why we do this as well, maybe if you started gaining free traffic and you started telling people to sign up, like Profit Accumulator with my video, you know, maybe that person was busy, maybe they were on the break at work or something like that, and they didn't actually have time to, you know, click and sign up through the whole thing, and then they forget about it. You see, if you have a funnel in front of that link, then what you can do is, first thing is just input your email address. So you see, if they got as far as to input their email address but didn't go as far as to sign up for the free trial or something like that, maybe they'll do it later. You see, if they go on and search Profit Accumulator, I won't get that commission. But because I captured their email first, what will happen is you can send that in a day, or you can set up a responder that will respond in 1 day, 3 days, 5 days, or, you know, with the tagline something like, oh, did you forget to do this? You know, people will click it, you've gained that. You've essentially kept that person, and you can just re-promote to them later on. If they've forgotten, you can re-promote later on. An autoresponder and an email list service, there's loads out there, you know, Aweber, there's GetResponse, stuff like that. MailChimp. I personally use GetResponse, and that's how to start building an affiliate marketing business, not just a one-off and spamming links everywhere. Try and build a community, try and build an email list in that niche. You can have multiple different niches. If you're doing health and fitness, cats and dogs, sporting and outdoors, you know, if you're doing all those, build different lists in different niches, because that's your traffic then, and you can continuously just keep promoting different stuff to those people. It's so worth it, because then you've captured their email. So me personally, I use something called GetResponse, and what it does is it helps you build funnels, autoresponders, email lists, lead funnels, sales funnels, stuff like that. And it's like, so you've got 30-day free trial. So if you want to try starting to build an email list, click my link in the description for GetResponse, and then you can get a 30-day free trial. You don't have to pay anything, no credit card required, nothing like that. And then if you want to sign up to it after that, it's like $15 a month or £11 a month. And if you're serious about affiliate marketing, then it's so worth it. Start building those email lists. Start making this a substantial business that you can scale and that you can grow. This is the fine line between affiliate marketing and making it an actual business that you can actually quit your job from, and you can start to do this full time. That is how you start. And this is how I've been doing it over the past 6 months to a year. At first it started off slow, but don't get discouraged, just keep trying. I was so much like, oh, I don't need to spend money on this, I don't need to spend money on this, I don't need an email list, you know, and because all I thought was that these gurus were trying to sell me stuff, but they actually wasn't. A lot of them, it's a case of you do need some of these tools in order to start affiliate marketing. You know, email lists, you know, learning to rank on YouTube, learning to get free traffic. It's all worth it, because this is how you build a scalable affiliate market. If you guys are still here at this point in the video, which I believe not a lot of people will be, you know, I want you to comment, hustle, let's hustle. You know, get that in the comments and smash that like button. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Follow me on Instagram. I've got everything that I've mentioned in this video in the description. You can click those links. Sometimes I will earn an affiliate commission off those. It helps me out and it's at no extra cost to yourselves, but I want to make sure that you're aware of that. Thanks very much for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time. Stay hustling.